Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Lesson 6, Janet's birthday. Janet was a 3rd standard student. He was the only child of his parents. Janil was a 3rd standard student. He was the only one child of his parents. His daddy was a worker in a factory. His mother was a housewife. His parents loved him very much because they have only one child. They loved him very much. Though they were poor, they gave him everything he wanted. They were poor, then also they gave him what all he wanted. Whenever he wanted something, they would give it to him because they loved him. Janil also loved his parents. He always obeyed them. This one good thing is there. He always obeyed them because this child also loved their parents. Parents also loved his child. Then he always obeyed his parents. One day, he returned from the school and told his mother. One day, he returned from the school and told his mother what he is going to say. Now let us listen what he is going to say. Are you listening here? Okay, very good. Next Monday is my birthday. I want to give chocolates to all the students in my class. Today my friend Jay brought chocolates because it was his birthday. And is telling to his mother, next Monday my birthday, you want to buy and give me chocolates. Today was whose birthday? My friend Jay's birthday. Then that time he brought chocolates and bicycle also. He brought and give me also like that. That way he is telling to his mother. Again we are going to see that today. Okay, Janil, when daddy comes home, we will tell him. Okay, your daddy will come. That time I will tell your daddy. Mummy, Jay's parents gave him new clothes and a beautiful bicycle as birthday gifts. His parents gave him new clothes and beautiful bicycle. I too also want that way. He's telling. Okay. I also want new clothes and new bicycle on my birthday, said Janil. When my birthday coming, that time you also buy and give me. That way he is telling to his mother. Then Janil's parents are very poor. Okay. Then what is it? Look, Janil, we are poor. Jay's parents are rich. Jay's parents are richer. We are poor. Your daddy work hard to give us food and all the other things that we need. Your daddy is working hard every day and we want to give us food and other things what we need. We have to we want to buy that. We want to work hard, then only getting this food and other things. He may not have enough money to buy you new clothes and a bicycle on your birthday. We will buy the bicycle later. Mummy said to him, we will buy this later. But no, Mummy, I want the bicycle also, said Janil, and he began to cry loudly. Then what happened? This boy is crying loudly. I want my birthday, this also, bicycle also I want. And you are also, his mother promised him that he would talk to his daddy when he returned home. When he comes, he will tell to your daddy that way he said to his son. Okay. That evening, when his dad came home, his daddy came. Janil went to his mother and reminded her about the birthday gifts. Then he went and reminded his mother and what he demanded for his birthday. Then, I don't have any money left with me now, said his dad. His daddy said, I don't have any money now. Daddy said her. But Janil will be very disappointed. Said to his mom. He was weeping when I told him that we don't have money. Then told his. But Janil will be very disappointed, said his mom. This mummy said to him that he was very disappointed. He was weeping when I told him that we don't have money. But Janil will be very disappointed, said mom. He was weeping when I told him that we don't have money. Jenny's father also felt very sad. Hearing this, his daddy also very sad. It was his son's birthday. He wanted to give him the best gifts, but he had no money. Because we also felt very sad. Then Jenny's father also felt very sad. It was his son's birthday. He wanted to give him the best gifts, but he had no money. Anyway, there is one more week is there. We will try, said Jenny's dad. What said? One more week is there. Let me try. I will earn more money, and that way he said. Then next day, when Jenny was served supper at night, when this Jenny eating supper time, his dad was not there. When they are always sitting together and taking food and all. Then this time his daddy is not came. Then he asked, Mummy, where is daddy? He asked. He will come home later. You have supper and go to bed, said his mother. He will come later. You take your supper and go to bed, his mother said. Janil had his supper and went to bed. After a couple of hours, he woke up. His dad had not yet come. After having supper, he went. Then after some time, he woke up and searched his dad, but he did not come. His mother was still waiting for his dad. Mommy did not sleep. Mommy was waiting for his dad. Without eating and sleeping, Janil fell asleep again. Without eating and sleeping, Janil fell asleep again. The next day also the same thing happened. The next day also coming the same way. His dad did not come for supper. His dad is not with them for supper. He came home very later. He coming very later the home because he want to buy this birthday gifts and for his son. And the night also he is working for this earn money. Then the day before his birthday, Janil woke up early. He knew that his dad would buy new clothes and bicycle for him. That day he was very excited and happy. He went to his daddy's room and saw that he was sleeping. The previous night also he had come home late. Previous night also he came very late. His daddy is sleeping there. He saw. Okay, this much you have to read the lesson and understand it. Okay. Again, again I want to tell you. Did you understood what I said? The story, Jenny's birthday. Jenny was good boy and he is obeying his parents, and his parents only one child. Okay, very good. His father was a working factory, and they were very poor family. Okay. Then his friend birthday, what he brought? His friend Jay brought what are these chocolates, new clothes, and new bicycle he brought in the school. And that way Jenny told his birthday was coming next Monday. He also want to buy that way all the things. Then his parents were very poor and they don't have any money to buy that way. Then his father work hard and night also, day and night he is working hard for to earn money for buying all the costly things. Okay, this is the theme of this lesson. Then again next class, remaining class I will take next Monday. Okay, you have to read the lesson and understand it. Okay, thank you children.